In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a RAR file in Google Drive. Fix today here, let's begin. Start by opening your browser and going to Google Drive site. Make sure you're already signed in so you can access your files. Once you're inside your drive, locate the RAR file you want to open. Double-click on the file to open the preview window. If you see a message that says no preview available, look at the top of the screen and click the Open with option. If you already have a zip extractor installed, simply select it from the list. If you don't see one available, click the drop-down and choose Connect More Apps. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace. In the search bar, type zip extractor, taking a moment to enter the name clearly, then press enter on your keyboard from the results, click on the zip extractor app, then click install to begin the setup process. A permissions window will appear, click continue, then select your Google account. After that, click Allow to give the app permission to access your files. Once the installation is complete, close the Marketplace window. Now go back to your RAR file preview, click Open with again at the top, and this time select Zip Extractor. A new tab will open automatically. Wait for the file to load. After a moment, you'll see a list of all the files stored inside the RAR archive. Review the list and uncheck any files you don't want to extract. If you want everything, just leave all the files selected as they are. Next, click the blue Extract to Drive button. The app will begin extracting the contents directly into your Google Drive. Once the process is finished, click View Files. This will take you to a new folder in your drive that contains all the extracted files. Finally, if you no longer need the original RAR file, right-click on it and select Move to Trash to free up storage space in your drive. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.